Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the volume command. So now I will show you how to answer. The first thing we need to draw the diagram in here. So this is about S, Y, and Z. So the first one of the cylinder, that is about this one. So about this one, we can see that this one that is about x square plus y square equals to r square, because this one that is about the circle. Now let's go to the second one. And this is the second one in here. So for this one, that is about z square plus y square equals to r square, because this is about the circle. And now they want to find the volume, this one in here. So just like this one. So the first thing, we know that y is greater than or equals to negative r and smaller than r, because if I put s and z equal to number 0, that's why we can find this one. And now I will put y square go to the right, this one go to the right. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we got like this. So s between negative of the square root of r square minus y square, and the positive of the square root of r square minus y square. And this one we have like this. And now we can set up about triple integrals to find the volume in here. So about dz, that is about this one. About ds, that is about this one. About dy, that is about from negative r to positive r. And now we need to find this integration. So the integration of dz, you got about z, and we put the bounds from this one to this one. So the integration of this one, we can put this one going here and this one going here, and we got about number 2 with the square root of r square minus y square. The integration of dx you got about s. And we put about dy in here. So this one go to this one, and then we got about number 2 with the square root of r square minus y square. And now we combine this one and this one. So we have number 4 r square minus y square. The integration of r square, that is about y. This one, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds from negative r to positive r. So this one, I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have like this. So we calculate this one, number 4 in here, because number 4 distribute to this one and this one. So we have 16 r to the power of 3 over 3, and that is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.